Good morning, everyone. Today we will take the second lesson of topic 12, fractions and regions. The objective of our lesson today, I can use a fraction to represent multiple copies of a unit fraction. The first question. Pat made a garden in the shape of a rectangle and divided it into 4 equal-sized parts. She planted flowers in 3 of the parts. Draw a picture of what Pat's garden might look like. So here, I divided the shape or the rectangle into 4 equal parts. And since she planted the flowers in 3 of the parts, I colored 3 parts. So I have 3 parts out of 4 shaded or planted with flowers. How many parts of Pat's garden do not have flowers? Explain. Let's go back to the shape. How many parts are not planted? Only 1. I have the green, brown, blue parts are planted, so there are 3. 4 minus 3, I will have 1 unshaded part, so it's not planted. So back to the question. 1 part. There are 3 parts in all. 3 parts have flowers. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. So 1 part doesn't have flowers. Mr. Peters served part of a pan of enchilada casserole to a friend. What does each part of the whole pan of casserole represent? What part was served? What part is left? So let's look at the first question. What does each part of the whole of casserole represent? Part of a whole. The whole casserole is divided into 6 equal parts. Look here. I have 6 equal parts. Each part here represent 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 6 times. So I have 6 pieces in all. So I can write it 6 pieces over 6 pieces. 6 over 6. So 6 copies of 1/6 is 6 over 6. 6 over 6 is a whole. If I have a numerator and the denominator the same, they make a whole. Okay, let's look at C. What part is left? Let's see. How many 1/6 I have left? 1/6, 1/6. So I have 2 parts eaten or served. 2 parts were served. So 1/6, 1/6. They equals 2/6. 2/6. Now, the total number of them are 6. I took away or served 2. How many left I have? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 1/6 or 4 copies of 1/6. So 4 over 6 of the casserole is left. Below is a picture of a pie. Draw lines and use shading to show what 5 1/8 pieces are still in the pan and that 3/1/8 pieces were eaten, use a fraction to label the part of the pie that is in the pan. I divided the pan into 8 equal pieces and shaded 5/1/8. Then the question said 3/1/8 pieces were eaten, so I took away 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So use a fraction to label the part of the pie that is in the pan. So I have 2/8. 2 over the total 8. Mrs. Petal made a cake. What fraction of the whole cake does each piece represent? What fraction of the whole cake does each piece represent? I have 1/6, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. 6 copies of 1/8. So the fraction is 6/8. Now, question number 3. In the picture in exercise 2, how many 1/8 pieces were eaten? So 2 were eaten. What fraction of the whole cake was eaten? What fraction? They are asking us about the fraction now. So I have to write the fraction of the eaten pieces. 2 eaten pieces out of 8. So 2/8. Now, go to question number 4. How many 1/3 parts are blue? 1, 2. 2 parts are blue. But question number 5 asking us, what fraction of the whole is blue? What fraction of the whole is blue? Let's write the fraction. How many parts are blue? 2. 2 out of 1, 2, 3 out of 3. So 2/3. What fraction names all of the parts in the whole? So here I have to write the whole. How many parts I have? 3. So to write the whole, the numerator and the denominator have to be the same. 3/3 represent 1 whole. Try to solve these questions by yourself and send your answers to me. Question number 12. George cut a cake into 8 pieces. Explain what the unit fraction of the cake is. Now, the cake is divided into 8 pieces, so the unit fraction is always represents 1/whole, so the fraction is 1/8. Let's go to question number 15. Draw a circle that shows 6 equal parts. So first, draw a circle and cut it into 6 equal parts. Now, shade more than 3/6 of the circle, but less than 5/6. So let's think about a number that is more than 3 and less than 5. What number comes between them? Yes, 4. So what fraction have you shaded? I shaded 4/6. Good luck, everyone. I'm waiting your answers. Bye-bye.